Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into a fascinating study that explores the relationship between vitamin D, mood, and cognitive health in adults over 85 with diabetes. This research, published in the journal Scientific Reports, uncovers some intriguing insights that might just change how we think about nutritional supplements and their impact on our brains. So, grab your snacks, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the global burden of type 2 diabetes. It's a growing concern, and as people age, they often face a host of geriatric and psychiatric comorbidities. Now, here's the interesting part. Studies have shown that depressive symptoms and cognitive impairment often go hand in hand in older adults with diabetes. This might be due to shared pathophysiological mechanisms, like cerebral microvascular damage and changes in brain white matter. So, what's the deal with vitamin D? Well, it turns out that this nutrient might play a crucial role in our neuroimmunomodulation. It can influence neurotransmitter synthesis, synaptic plasticity, and even help clear amyloid beta in our brains. But here's the catch. There's been very little research on vitamin D levels in adults over 85 with type 2 diabetes and coexisting depressive symptoms and mild cognitive impairment, MCI. That's where this study comes in. Researchers in Poland decided to investigate the factors associated with these comorbidities in 188 individuals, all over 85 years old with type 2 diabetes. They measured their vitamin D levels and compared them to their neuropsychological and metabolic health. And here's what they found. The average vitamin D level in the entire study cohort was 18.38 nanograms per milliliter, which is below the recommended threshold. Now, here's the mind-blowing part. The group with both depressive symptoms and MCI had the lowest vitamin D levels at 13.86 nanograms per milliliter. That's a significant difference. And it gets even more interesting. Correlation analyses revealed that lower vitamin D levels were negatively correlated with higher HbA1c concentrations and GDS-30 scores, which are markers of depressive symptoms. Interestingly, vitamin D levels were positively correlated with MoCA cognitive scores, indicating better cognitive function. The multivariable model showed that lower vitamin D status was independently associated with increased odds of having both depressive symptoms and MCI. It also highlighted other factors like older age, fewer years of education, longer diabetes duration, and higher multimorbidity burden. So, what does this mean for us? Well, it's important to note that this study doesn't establish a causal link between vitamin D and cognitive decline. The small subgroups, single-center population, and strict exclusion criteria limit the generalizability of the findings. But here's the thing, it's a fascinating area of research that warrants further investigation. Personally, I think this study raises some interesting questions. Could vitamin D supplementation be a potential strategy to improve mood and cognitive function in older adults with diabetes? It's a thought-provoking idea, and it highlights the importance of maintaining healthy vitamin D levels through sunlight exposure and a balanced diet. So, what do you think? Is vitamin D the next big thing in diabetes care? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content, and stay tuned for our next video.